That's what the social media team does.
Hello!
Oh my god.
Everything is sticky. I need one of these for myself in
I
the
think
summer.
you need one at full price.
Hi Kabir.
Hi, alright guys. We are where no mattress lover has gone before. So excited to have you here. Chubby joining
Chavi
us.
and her pet Squishy.
And her pet Squishy. We are going to take you behind the scenes of our factory to see how all of it is made.
Kabir, what's that?
What's that? That is a roll pack machine.
No, it's the Sleepy Cat sandwich maker.
It's the sandwich maker. It's pretty cool. We'll show you that. But let me show Shavi around a little bit because she hasn't ever understood the factory from my perspective. So this is our side where we do a lot of the cutting of the foam. So the foam comes in, we cut it into shape out here. You can see the CNC CAD department. It's pretty cool, Shavi. So we cut these shapes and these holes to give you better pressure relief on the points that you require. This
What if I
mattress,
lose my earrings in it?
I don't think you will lose your earrings because the mattress is covered. It's not falling through all the way here. But it's very good for your back, for pressure relief, different cuts. Here is the machine at work. These machines are automated. They cut the foam into different shapes. Shavi, come, let me show you some other stuff. You see this color? This is a unique memory foam, which only we do. It's
I think this
cooler.
will suit Squishy as a dress.
There is something like that. Our new dual pillow is exactly Squishy, half of it, and half of the memory foam. Guys, this is a gluing machine. It's automated. All the layers are put in. They're glued. They go through this machine. They come out at the end, and they are left out here for drying. We are having Shavi who's going to attempt to glue a layer on the mattress. This is going to be super interesting. She's moving from Instagram to Insta Factory. Okay, guys, that's a beautiful AirGen memory foam. Look how nice that looks. Look how nice that looks. Oh my god.
Everything is sticky.
Have I done this myself? I have. In the beginning days, I've tried everything myself. If you don't try it yourself, you can't tell them what to do. Come, Shavi, I'll show you our quality department. So all these mattresses you see stacked up here are final pieces, cleaned and kept. They go onto table 1, inner cover. They go onto table 2, outer cover. See how much care we take. Third time, they cut any loose strings. They clean all of it up. Final one goes in here where they check for any stains, anything that is messy. And after that, it goes into your rolling machine. Come walk this way. That's what the social media team does when they come to the factory, right? This, by the way, Shavi, is our roll pack machine. People keep wondering, how are we able to compress our mattress into such a small shape, the size of a golf bag? 100 tons of force, and voila, that's the final product. Let's see if Shavi and I can pick one up.
I'm taking it.
I love the branding as well. Say hello to the rest of your life. We're quite witty with our one-liners. You ever wonder what our mattresses are really made of? They're not just fluff and foam.
Basic stuff. It's like high-end memory foam. It's high-end aerosol foam, latex, cool-tech mattresses, PC cooler, very well-designed fabric to keep it soft, comfortable, hypoallergenic. Yeah, it's that much science that goes into it.
One eternity later.
All our machines go through testing where we test the firmness meter to make sure every mattress remains firm, the foam remains accurate. Okay guys, please pan left. Shavi, this is our entire stitching section. They are stitching mattress clothes. They come in different sizes. That's our Cooltech fabric, guys. It keeps you a little cooler, always cooler than room temperature. Shavi, this is where Sleepy Cat is written. If you go further, you'll see that's a dog bed and we are printing a dog's name or a dog's paw.
We should give people ideas to name their pets.
Yeah, maybe we should because we have so many dog names in our database because we get like maybe 30, 40 dog bed orders per day with their name personalized. Maybe we could start a directory.
Yep.
Right? Maybe we will. But
So will you get a dog and name it whatever I tell you to?
no, wait, that's not part of this. Just let's do the reel. So let me show you one thing. Bhai, wo ek baar leather lana. These are not bricks, guys. These are
Oh,
beautiful leather patches. I always wanted our mattresses. Like, you know how you buy Levi's jeans, you have your beautiful leather patch that tells you it's a 511,
I did not
512.
know we did it because of that.
So I love the idea that in a few years, when you open up your sheet cover, right, every mattress has a leather patch. It looks so cool, and it says the original or the Ultima or the hybrid latex, and beautiful different leather patches which go on to the mattress, and you would have seen it. Yeah, that's a good way of telling people what mattress you have in a few years when you want to reorder a Sleepy Cat mattress.
You
Chavi
will have
from
one.
Chhattisgarh.
Chavi is from Gurgaon.
Not-
Chavi
not-
from Sleepy Cat.
Not Chavi from Champagne in France. Chavi from Chhattisgarh.
Sure.
I love Chhattisgarh, by the way. Everyone from Chhattisgarh, I love you. Come, let's go check out the pillow section. By the way, these are how we compress them and QC.
This was the
After-
original.
This is what a squishy is. And it's ready to go. These people are always super hard at work. You see, it's an area where they have the fiber filling, the compressing.
What is happening over there?
Why is
I
she
think the
whacking
pillow
it?
is being hurt,
The
yeah.
pillow is being hurt because we are cleaning the fibers that are stuck on the pillow after it's made. You have the little hairs that are sticking out. So she cleans it, she passes it on to her friend. Her friend uses a blowgun to make sure all the rest of the fibers are out of it. Then we compress it, we roll pack it. You can see the master out there putting it into the bin as well. Chavi doesn't get any discounts, by the way. Chavi pays full price, MRP.
That's
MRP
unfair.
plus 5% if I
Be
could.
generous.
Plus 5% if I could. Plus whatever percentage is the raise that she asked for. But guys, before, and these are my products I'm about to test, and she's on there with shoes. Don't worry, I won't sell you this one. So before we sign off, just like cakes with the best ingredients and the best cacao powder and everything that goes into it, mattresses are like that. We have to use the best quality of foam to make sure it lasts you at least 10 years, gives you the pressure relief, gives you the comfort. Trust me, we do all that hard work and science. We are expert at the boring bits so that you don't need to be. Alright guys, signing off. Like, share and subscribe. The button is here. Do that for me. I love doing that. You know when people do that YouTube thing and the button is here? The button is here. And tell us in the comments what do you want to see next behind the scenes of building a company. I'm super excited to take you through the journey. That's Chavi signing off as well. That's the work she does.